Hello everyone, this is Daniel and Kelly from fitnessblender.com. Here to let you know that we have a sale going on right now over at fitnessblender.com for 3 of our most popular programs.
So that would be Fit Round 3, which is longer workouts, around 50 minutes, very intense. We also have put Low Impact Round 2 on sale, which is a great place for beginners to start. Also, don't get tricked. It will still kick your butt. It's low impact, but it is tough. And then also FB Complete, which is actually beginner, intermediate, and advanced all in one. So literally every day you get to pick both your length and kind of your intensity, your speed for the day. So 3 different programs for purchase, 30% off for the next 10 days.
And don't forget, these are for sale for purchase to keep forever. However, they're all also included in Plus. So if you'd rather get a Plus subscription or just buy a month at a time, you can actually get access to all 3 of these programs that way as well.
Yeah, and just as a reminder, you do not need a subscription or membership to access any of the Plus workouts or programs.
Mm-hmm. You can
or
do
features.
Yeah, you can do it all a month to month. Cancel anytime you want to, or you can actually buy just a single month at a time.
And we're actually launching something really exciting pretty soon that will allow you to access it even on a daily basis. So again, we're just trying to make this as flexible and user-friendly as possible continually.
Yep.
And actually, we have something exciting coming. I'm actually dressed and ready to go. I'm hitting record right after this. I'm filming a new strength workout for a new program that is launching the first Sunday in March. It's going to be all exclusive workout videos. So 4 weeks of workouts that you cannot get from us anywhere else. And it won't just be us, there'll also be doctors of physical therapy and some other certified personal trainers as well.
Yeah, so I mean, you've been asking us for an exclusive, brand new videos for a program for a long time now, and we are finally giving you exactly what you asked for. So we have a number of new projects coming out over the next few weeks and months that we're really, really excited about. I think one of them we're probably most excited about is our brand new meal plan system. We've kind of started over from scratch, from the ground up, all interactive. It's incredibly intuitive, as well as built by registered dietitians. It is designed to be something that's going to be changed on a regular basis. So we're actually going to be releasing new versions of the meal plan relatively regularly. And that, of course, is going to be coming with a Plus membership. We also have a number of other things. Do you want to talk about?
Yeah, actually, one of the things that we've been working on already for months, just like the meal plan, we've been heads down on that for 2 years at this point. 2 years of planning and developing. The other thing we're working on is a pregnancy program. So this is going to be led by Doctor of Physical Therapy Kayla and our pre- and postnatal specialist Nicole, who's also a certified personal trainer. So they've been working really hard already. We actually launched some of that content about a week ago, that first pregnancy-themed workout. So that's coming, and it's going to be launching later this spring, which we're really excited about, being able to finally serve this population as well. What else? We also we're working with our doctorate level mental health specialist to build a mental health program, which will be built of essentially a variety of meditations and kind of activities that you can do. We know things are really weird right now, and we could all use a little stress reduction and self-care. So that's something else that we've again already been working on for probably 5 months now, and coming your way soon.
So again, for those of you who only use our videos on YouTube, you're missing out on so many different features and functionality, even just for a free user, not to mention all the amazing additions we have for Plus users. So make sure you definitely go check out what's going on over on fitnessblender.com on a regular basis, because we're always rolling out new things and improvements to our features and all kinds of stuff. With that said, though, remember, we have a sale going on right now.
Right now.
three programs that are on sale, 30% off. FB Fit Round 5, Low Impact Round 2.
Yes, Round 2, the newest one.
And then FB Complete. All of them serve a little bit of different populations, so I'm sure you'll be able to find one that will meet your needs.
And just a reminder, first of all, thank you to anyone who ever works out with us ever.
Mm-hmm.
But an extra special thank you to anyone who has signed up for Plus or who uses our programs, because literally none of this would be possible, especially the free
including
side.
the YouTube channel.
Right,
yeah.
Without Plus, essentially. So thank you to the people who help make this possible for everyone. We could not do it without you.
Yes, thank you so very much. And thank you for watching this video, and we will see you soon. Bye, everyone. Yeah.
I think we kept it under half an hour this time.
Yeah, that's good. Hey, good job. Yeah.
Actually, we did, that last time we joked about starting a podcast, though. And, what's up?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, and it sounded like you guys were excited. So since then, we've actually been talking about how we could possibly do some, like a podcast on Plus where we kind of share some of our rants, some of our expertise on the things that we know about, and also interviewing some of the experts we are working with now, which include everything from, like we said, pre and postnatal, mental health, doctors of physical therapy, registered dietitians, all that good stuff. So basically, sit down and fire away on the questions. It's something we're kicking around because, as always, we are so open to feedback. You guys shape Fitness Blender. You always have. So speak up. Tell us what you want to see, and we do our best to deliver.
That's right. In her hair. Kelly in her hair.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Is that better? Is it the...
I don't know.
Is that your hair secret? Is this how you do yours in the morning?
Yeah, pretty much.
Actually,
that's
yeah,
how I do my hair. It's like
14 years now. Yeah.
That's it. That is the hair secret from Daniel Seegers.
Mad
Don't dye. Don't go get a professional haircut. Cut it yourself so it looks awful, and then just pat it into shape.
That's actually my approach as well. I haven't had anyone else cut my hair for like 5 years now.
But I was a poor kid for too long. I was a poor kid for too long to adopt any even like middle income.
Habits.
Yeah. Is that more satisfactory for you,
then we don't
my
have
dear?
6 feet of empty space.
Yes. Okay.
Shake what your mama gave you.
Yeah, that's right. Let's see it. Woo! Nice.
Nice. Led by doctors of mental health.
Yeah.
Not us.
Yeah.
Not strong department for us right now. Which kind of meal plan you'd like. And we're intending... All right, now I've got a HIIT and strength workout. It's going to kick my...
Kick your... Talking about things you can't put on...
I'm done. I'm done here. I'm done.
Angry walk. All right. Are we good?
Barefoot slaps. Would you still love me if I walk like that?
You do when
You
you're
call me
angry.
the cops call. Shut up. Shut up. You're such a turd. When you're angry.
All right, we done here?
Yeah, I think so.